Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams. First, floor-based reasoning puzzle. 8 people, Piyush, Kwaji, Ritesh, Sheeta, Tina, Umar, Veer and Jahra live on 8 different floors of a 8-story building. Okay, where the lowermost floor number is 1. Okay, then we first write this. Let's note the rough statements in the side. Let's see the question. Piyush lives 2 floors below Kwaji. Kwaji below second floor is Piyush. Okay. Next one. As many floors above Sita. Above Sita is same as between Veera and Jahra. Veera and Jahra. Only one floor between Jahra and Ritesh. Jahra and Ritesh, only one floor. Umar does not live above Ritesh, means Umar lives below Ritesh. Tina lives on an even numbered floor, but below floor number 5. We'll write this in the diagram puzzle directly. Saying about Tina, even number 4 below number 5. So there are two possibilities. Here it is Tina's place or either here. These are the two possibilities we got. Let's see further. Only 3 people live between Kwaji and Tina. 3 people live between Kwaji and Tina means we'll directly write here 1, 2, 3 Kwaji here. 1, 2, 3 Kwaji here. Okay. Let's see the final statement. Sita lives immediately above Piyush. Immediately above Piyush is Sita. Okay. Now we need to find our solution using these rough statements. Now we are going to see with this one Q dash P. Q dash P, and it is the place for P. Now S and P are immediate neighbors, top and bottom. Okay, we completed with this and this. Now we'll see this one above Sita. Here 1, 2, 3. So 3 people in between V and Z. Let's place Z here because we have another relation of Z dash R. So Z here, R here. 3 people between Z and V. We write this, but we have a statement, this one R below is U. There is no place for U in this statement, so this case fails. Let's see this possibility. Here S above is only one person, so we can write V and Z, either this one or else we can write, we can write here. I like to write Z here and V here because we have another statement of this one, so I can write like this. See, S above one person, Z and V in between only one person, Z and R one person. So this statement, there are two possibilities we get, and here it is Z dash R, it is a place for R, and we didn't get satisfied with this statement here, so this case fails. In this case, remaining with u, this case is true. So this is our answer for our questioned puzzle. Let's see the questions. Question number 1. Who lives on 6th floor? On 6th floor, Piyush. Piyush is sitting in the 6th floor. Option B. As many floors between Sita and Tina as below. Sita and Tina. Sita and Tina. There are two people. So below Z there is two people. So answer will be option E, Jahra. Question number 3. How many people are there between Ritesh and the one who lives immediately below Umar? Here it is Ritesh. Immediately below Umar is this one. So there is 3 people. So answer will be option C. Next one. Johara lives on which floor? C. Johara lives on 3rd floor. So answer will be option A, 3rd floor. 5th question. If all the people live in alphabetical order of their name from top to bottom, then who among the following person remains unchanged? Alphabetical order of names means starting with P. This is place for P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and Z. Here there is T sits in the same place and none of other. So our answer will be T, option D, Tina. Now we are going to see inequalities questions. Let's solve directly with conclusions. Conclusion 1. 0 to T with equal to everywhere. Here it is O. O to V is possible and there is no V here. O to K is possible and K is here. From K it is not going anywhere. So this case fails. From T to O it is T. There is relation of T. It doesn't go to K. So this case also fails. Here let's see T is lesser, equal to and greater. So all the 3 cases of symbols lesser than, greater than and equals to comes in between T and O in the 2 conclusions. So it is either or case. Okay, next second question. J to B. Where is J? From J it is going to Q, W. We reached W. From W it is going to B. So this case is true. Y to X. Y to W it is going. From W it is not going to X. So this case fails. X to C and everywhere equal to also. Where is X? From X it is not going to C. This case fails. From Z to C. Here it is Z. From Z it is going to up to P and not from P to C. So this case fails. Next one. 4th question. This one is K to B with everywhere equal to also. Here K is going to M. From M it is going to B and everywhere there is equal to also. So this case is true. Next one. W to V. Here W to M it is possible. From M it is going to V. So this is also true. Last question. Q to A. From Q it is going to A. Yes, it is true. M to G. From M it is not going to G because it is opposite direction. So this case fails. Now we are going to see syllogisms questions. Question number 1. Mostly green or pink. Mostly means maximum, not all. So some green or pink it means. Only a few pink or the red. Some red or green. Here it is green and it is green. Let's write another thing. Green. Okay, conclusions. All pink can be red. all pink can be red, it is not possible, so this case fails. Some red are not pink, means we'll check all red can be pink possible, all red can be pink, all case is possible here, so this case fails. Next one, if we see all some not, we can write either or case, but here the suffixes and prefixes are not same, so this is neither nor. Okay, let's see question number 11. Only a few cow or cat. No cat is mouse. Some mouse is dog. Let's see conclusions. All cat can be dog. All cat can be dog. It is possible. Some cat is mouse. Direct conclusion. Cat and mouse. There is no relation in between them, but not some. So this case fails. Question number 12. Only a few potatoes or tomatoes. Okay. Some tomatoes are onions. Only onions or garlic. So garlic is inside onion and doesn't share with anything except onions. Conclusions. Some onions are tomatoes. Some onions are tomatoes. It is sharing, as it is true. Some garlic are potatoes. Garlic doesn't share with anything except onions. So here it is saying about garlic and potatoes. So this case fails. Okay. Question number 13. Only a few ice cream is biscuit. All ice cream is candy. All dry fruit is candy. So it is dry fruit. Conclusions. Some dry fruit is not biscuit. We need to check all dry fruits can be biscuit possible. All dry fruits can be biscuits. Yes, that this all case is possible. So this case fails. No biscuit is candy. Biscuit and candy, there is some relation, and it is saying no biscuit. So this case also fails. Let's see last one. Only a few car or buses. All trucks are buses. So trucks is inside of a bus. Some buses are bikes. Conclusions. All buses can be car. All buses can be car, as it is possible. Some truck is car. Here it is direct conclusion and there is no relation between car and truck. This case fails. This is can be, it is possible or not, as it is possible. Here it is direct conclusion, so it is false. Now we are going to see simplifications. Question number 1. This will be 699 minus 310, which will be 389 plus 589 minus 47 equals to x into 19. This will be 974. Okay, minus 47 x into 19. It will be 7 plus 7. Sorry, it is 978. This will be 1, and here it is 3. 931 divided by 19. 4 times and 9 times. It is 1. Okay, so answer will be 49. Option A. Question number 2. 18 into 17, which is 306, plus it is 25, means 5. 42. Consecutive numbers of 7 to 6, so least number 65 equals to x plus This will be 12 8 times 96. 12 2 times 24 plus 9 33 336. So x will be this total is 371 minus 336. We get 5. Here it is 6 minus 3 335. Option E is our answer. Now question number 3. It is 55 into 490 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. I can multiply 11 easily. So I'll do this as 5 into 11. 5 9 times 45, 5 4 times 20, 24. Okay, into 11 means 245. 5 9 6 2 divided by 10 means 269.5. Okay, next one. It is 74% of 125. Means 125% of 74. 74 is 100% and 25% means 1/4 of 74. It is 4 1 times 4 and 34 means 8 times 32 and 0.5 times. So totally 74 plus 18 means 92.5 plus here it is 269.5 whole equals to x. So we get x equals to 12 10 16 362. 362 is our answer, option C. Question number 4. Here it is square root under 1764. 1764. I teach you 40 to 60 squares. It is in between them. It is 42 square. It is 1521, which is 39 square. 841 means 29 square. Cube root of 729. 729 means 9 equals to x. Therefore, 42 plus 39. 81. 81 plus 9. 90. 90 plus 29. 90 plus 29 we get 9 and 11. 119. Option D is our answer. Okay. Let's go with the question number 5. Question number 5 is 1482 divided by 19. So 19 7 times 133 and 152 is left. 152 means 8 times. Whole divided by 26 into 14. 13 2 times 13 6 times. 2 3 times. 3 14 times is 42. So this is totally we get 42 plus it is x square equals to 571. Therefore x square is equals to 571 minus 42, which will be 9 and 6 minus 4 2 529. So our answer x will be 23. Option E. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Question number 1. It is plus and plus sequence, so the roots will be negative. Here minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Now question number 2. 156 means 12 13 times and minus and plus means roots are in positive. Here it is plus and minus means roots will be negative and positive. It is 252. I can see 12 here. 12 2 times and 1 time and it is 12. So we get 9 here. Okay. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Question number 3. Here it is in points. So we multiply this equation with 10. 10x square minus 53x plus 52 equals to 0. 52 means 13 4 times and it is 10. Let it be 40. Minus and plus. So here the roots will be positive and positive. Let's compare this one. Here it is 169 whole power 1 by 2 means 13y plus this comes this side with 124 minus 2116 means 46. 4 plus 4 8. 11 minus 4 means 7. So 13 6 times. Y value is equals to 6. By comparing these two, before comparing, it is its base is 10, its base is 1, so we multiply this with 10, so we get 60 here. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Now question number 4, it is x square minus 27x plus 180 equals to 0. 15 12 times is 180. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here it is 92 into 3. Let's write this as 2 into 46 means 23 2 times means it is 23 4 times 92, and we have 3 here. 4 into 3 which will be 12. This is 23 minus we get 11, so this is a plus and minus means we have roots negative and positive. Here the base is 3, here the base is 1. We multiply this with 3. 36 and 45. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay, next, fifth one, x power 4, which is equals to 1296. It is 6 power 4. So answer will be, it is even number. So plus 6 and minus 6 are the roots here. Here y equals to 1681 means 41 square minus 1156, which is 34 square. We have y value equals to 7. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Here the numbers are increasing lightly with the small differences, so we'll go with the differences. Here it is 1 and 8. The difference in between these is 81. Here the difference is 1. It is 6 minus 5 1. 2 minus 1 111. Here the difference is 9. 4 minus 6, no, 3 minus 6, 13 minus 6, 7. 3 minus 2 1. Here the difference is 5 2 225. Here the difference is 9 8 and 2. This number is 15 square and this is 17 square. It is 9 square. So I can see odd number square, so it must be 11 square and it must be 13 square. So the wrong numbers are these. So in between those, it is the wrong number. Let's see what is right number. 11 square, which will be 121. 156 plus 121, which will be 277. 277 plus 13 square, 169. 9 plus 6 6. 9 plus 7 6. 7 and 6, it will be 4 and 2 1, and it will be 446. So wrong number is 267, option C. Now we are going to see question number 2. Here the numbers are slightly increasing, so let's go with the differences. Here the difference is 9 and 11 minus 7, which is 49. Here it will be 9 and 21 and it is 12 means 99. Here the difference is, okay, it will be 9, 36 and 12, 149. So here the difference is 5 6, so it will be 9. 56 and 37 means 9 and 1. Here the difference is 9. It will be 2. 2 7 means 5. 7 minus 5, 2, 259. Here I can see 9 in the end. So the difference must be the same here. Here the difference is 50. Here the difference is 50. Here the difference also 50. Here the difference changes. Here the difference is 60. So this is the wrong number. We need to get 50 here. If it is 50 in the difference, we get 249. So wrong number is this one. 834 is our wrong number. Option E. Now moving with the question number 3. In third question, if we see a bigger number and a smaller number and increasing numbers, then it must be half of this time. Half of 16 will be 8 as it is true. So it will be into 0.5. Here it must be into 1 or 1.5. Here it is 1.5. It must be, sorry, it might be a wrong number. So we can take into 1 also. So we have two possibilities. Let's see the remaining. Here I don't see any good relation using this one. If I use into 1 means if it is 8 into 1 8, then next one is into 2 times, and here the difference is into 4 times. Okay, here it is into 8 times. 4 times is 2 and 8 6 times 48 and 3 5 and 2. So our wrong number is this one. So option B is our wrong number. Now we are going to see question number 4. In this, it is the numbers are slightly increasing, so it must be the differences. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference is 6 minus 4, 27. Here the difference is 1 and 41. Here the difference is 9, 15 and 11, 4, 49. In this sequence I see these 9 numbers. So if it must be 29 and 39, it might be. So let's check 45 plus 29, which will be 74. If it is 74, 74 plus 39 will be 113. So our wrong number is 72. Option B. Question number 5th one, which is 18th. 386, 492. Here the numbers are slightly increasing. So we take differences in between them. We'll start from here. 736 becomes 772 means 36. Here it has 22. 32 remains and 36, which will be 68 difference. Here the difference is 84. I can see this 36 here, this 68 here, this 84 here. Let's see the difference of here. If we add in like this 92, 4 and 8, 5. So here the difference is 92. Here if we add 86 to this one, we get 662. Okay, 9 plus 8, 7. So this is our wrong number. So our answer is 386, which is wrong number. These missing number series questions are homework for you people. Please try to solve and comment your answers in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.